How to create Pokemon Go account. So if you want to create Pokemon Go account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for Pokemon Go. And here on the first search you will have www.pokemon.com, which is sign up. You can click on that. So here it will take you to the official Pokemon website. You can scroll down and then you have to first verify your age. So enter your date of birth here and then click on confirm and choose your country or region by simply clicking on that drop down bar and then click on continue. And here it is the second step. So you have to enter your username and then you have to create a password. So your password must include at least one uppercase, one lowercase letter, and a number, and at least one other character that is not a letter or digit, such as star, colon, semicolon, bracket, something. You have to again confirm your password by retyping it, and then you have to enter your email address, and you have to again enter your email address to confirm it. And here you have to and here you can click on this if you want to receive some news and information about Pokemon, and some news and updates about Pokemon. And then do you want to display your Pokemon Trainer Club profile publicly? Then you can click on yes. So enter your password and then simply scroll down and you can enter your screen name and click on check availability. So this screen name is available, right? So you can scroll down and here you have to click here, I accept the Pokemon terms and conditions, and click on I'm not a robot, and then you have to verify. And after that you can click on continue. And now this is the last step. Hello, thank you for creating an account. So you have already created your account. So on the last step you have to verify your email address. So what you have to do is you have to simply open up your mail, your Gmail, and here you will have this mail, right? So you can simply open that mail and then click on verify your email, and that's it. That's how you sign up to your account, and now your account is active. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.